welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Chanelle. But you know, if you've been subscribed, if not, you need to press it. You need to press it. You need to press subscribe. You know, you gotta get me in there somewhere. Alright guys, let's get into what I got here. So first off, I see something from MAC. Lipstick. Ooh, okay, so this is the what is this? Lip Tintity lipstick. So I took off my gloss so we can try it on demo. No, seriously, this is so my sister Michelle. Shout out to Michelle. Look at this, Michelle. Unbelievable. Now I saw a nude floating around. Of course I wouldn't get the nude, I would get the deep what color is this? Lip Tintity burnt violet. This actually looks kind of to die for, so let's try it on and see. Let's see. My lips are freshly plumped. I don't have any lip liner on, by the way. Wow, this is so pigmented. Michelle, mommy might steal this before you get it. My mom might take this. I don't know. Shout out to Madeline. Shout out to my mom. Let's see. She claims I never give her any makeup. And I'm like, that's funny because all the makeup you own is stolen. So yeah, this is the MAC Lip Tintity. And this is the swatch here. And this is it on my lips. This is like kind of fabulous actually. And I like that it's not matte. Like, everyone loves matte so much, but like sometimes you need a little satin, you need a little gloss in your life. What do you think? Ooh, very like, this reminds me of like glamour, like glamour. Like this is straight glamour. All right, next thing we got looks like a palette. It is a palette from Colourpop. Oh, how cute. And this one is called the Element of Surprise. And wow, the colors match my lipstick. The colors match, so that's cool. So I'll show you this. There's no mirror in here, but it's a really, really cute design. You can see some shimmers here. You can see a super bright pink. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to probably insert some swatches if I can find any. If not, here are all the colors here. I'm just not going to swatch them because I have so many palettes and I've been giving some palettes away. So I'm not going to swatch this one. But yeah, these are all the colors here and all the names of them. So yeah, this with the lipstick is already like literally you already got your money's worth. You already got your $21 worth. And beauty boxes are a great way to grow your makeup collection. But the only thing is you never know what you're going to get. So yeah. So this is the Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt. This is the Pore Vacuum. It says, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling station will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week for maximum results. So this is a mask that I guess draws out everything. It's a pore vacuum cleaner. So that's cool. And that is worth, I think, $48. Next thing I got, I love getting brushes and I especially love fluffy brushes. So this, I was like, yes! So yes, so this is, what is the brand on these brushes? Let me look at this here. The brand is SL Miss Glam. And this, oh my god, the brush duo is $38. Really? For 2 brushes? These better be some good brushes. I mean, I love the design. And I love, like, for a crease, a fluffy brush. Ooh. Or sometimes if I'm in a rush, I just take one color and do a fluffy brush all over my lid. Yes, sure do. And this one is like a shader brush. So you can just put this like all over. These are cool. And they're full size. And they have sparkles on them here. Okay, I am not mad at these. $38 though, that's a lot. But I love the pink and I love the purple. So yes, okay, Boxycharm. And the last thing I got, this is from the Brow Gal, and it says Tanya Crooks. But the only thing is, this says light hair. It's tinted brow gel with microfibers, but look at the brown here. Like, this is like blonde. Like, let me look into this. This says tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. But it's like, who has blonde hair? Not everyone has blonde hair. They should have sent out brown. Like, I can't use this. Look how light it is. I mean, that's like my skin color. What the heck? So I'm gonna open this and see like what it's even all about. I'm like, maybe it's like the universal one that they gave us from It Cosmetics. I'm nope, it's literally blonde. It's like blonde. Like, I'm not even gonna put this on my eyebrows because it's gonna look a mess. Yeah, this is the, let me see, hold on. It says light hair. Yeah, the strokes are coming out this grayish color, if you can see. So this is not gonna work for me, but honestly, I actually shouldn't have opened that, but whatever. But yeah, I'm happy with the brushes, with the Dr. Brandt, and with the lipstick and everything. So I'm like, all right, I won't get too mad. But I'm like, this brow gel thing, like, not everyone has blonde hair, so you should send out a universal color like brown, or like something that will transform to your eyebrow color. But I mean, like, clearly this gray on my brows is gonna be like literally like pointless. So but yeah, I can't be mad at Boxycharm because like you get mad makeup for $20, well, $21. So so yeah, you guys leave a comment down below what you got in your box. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.